Welcome to Module 2 for Introduction to Journalism, Media and Communication. In this module, we're going to look at key trends and issues which are influencing media industries and the development of media products. The two concepts we're going to be looking at in this module are media convergence and globalisation. In Module 3, we're going to be talking about the fourth estate and the public sphere. Media convergence and globalisation are contemporary trends which are having a significant impact on all facets of media. The fourth estate and public sphere are long-standing ideals, especially for journalists, but their continuing relevance is often questioned in the modern media environment. Media convergence refers to the blurring of boundaries between different elements of the media system and the interaction between different elements of media systems. Convergence can refer to technologies, content, or industries. And the easiest way to think about media convergence is by looking at this bad boy, your mobile phone, and thinking of all the things that you can do with this one small black box. Media globalisation refers to the increased transmission of media content across global boundaries. The growth of global media organisations, and of course the internet, makes everything global. Now, we take media convergence and globalisation for granted. Especially if you're under the age of 30, this is the only media world you know and have ever known. There's always been mobile phones. The internet's always been there, and you've always been able to catch up on the latest news via CNN and the latest celebrity gossip via E! and TMZ. But for oldies like me, who can remember just a world with black and white television, these changes are revolutionary, and it's important to think about the impact that they've brought about. And of course, these changes haven't always been for the better. If you're relatively affluent and live in a developed nation, media convergence and globalisation are pretty sweet. But what happens if you're not that well off and you live in a country that isn't so stable economically and politically? These are some of the questions we're going to consider in this module.